Welcome to Trendy Unboxing.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel.
I have Dark Fantasy Choco Feels Biscuit with me. So let's start with the review. So here I have Sunfeast Dark Fantasy with me. This is the front side of packaging, and over here you will able to see extra packaging of plastic. First, I am going to remove the extra packaging which they have given over here for the biscuit. Now, let's see what they have given on the rear side of the packaging. This brand is owned by ITC Limited and it's manufactured and packaged by Food Creations Private Limited. This product also has FSSAI license number. And for any feedback or complaint, you can contact to them. They have given their phone number as well as email ID of the company. The net weight of this product is 20 gram. There are 2 packs of 10 gram each inside. You will able to see green dot over here which says that this product is a vegetarian. The cost of this product is 10 rupees and they have given batch number as well as packaging date, and it's best before 6 months from packaging. You have to store in a cool and dry place. Here they have given nutritional information about the product. One should always check nutritional information about the product before purchasing. It gives you proper knowledge about the product. Now let's see. Energy KCAL 520, protein 7.3 grams, carbohydrate 61.6 grams, of which sugar 35.8 grams, fats 27.2 grams. The quantity of fats they have used over here is much higher. Fat should be minimum 17 grams. Trans fat 0.1 gram, saturated fat 12.7 grams. Saturated fat should be 5 grams only. They have used much higher. If you are diabetes, then I request you to stay away from this biscuit. You can even make some delicious desserts by using these biscuits. If you want me to do video on that, do comment below. Beside this, they have given ingredient list. Now I am going to read it for you. Choco cream 38%, sugar, refined palmolive, refined palm oil, cocoa solid 5.3%, emulsifier, lecithin from soya bean, emulsifier, lecithin from soya bean, nature identical flavoring substances, chocolate and artificial flavoring substances, vanilla, refined wheat flour, maida, hydrogenated vegetable oils, sugar, invert syrup, liquid glucose, raising agents. Then they have mentioned in bracket INS 503, INS 500, INS 450, cocoa solids, butter, milk solids, iodized salt, emulsifiers, mono and diglyceride of fatty acid from palm oil, contains Permitted natural colors INS 150D, INS 150C, and added flavors nature identical flavoring substances chocolate and artificial flavoring substance vanilla milk contains wheat milk solid and soya may contain traces of nut. Here they have given the name of the product, that is Sunfeast Dark Fantasy Choco, and here also they have given the same thing. So now let's unbox this product. As they have mentioned on packaging that it contains two biscuits inside. So as they have promised, they have given the same thing. They have mentioned here not to be sold individually without the outer package. For declaration, please check outer package. Now I'm going to open this package and taste it for you guys. This is how biscuit look inside. Here you will able to see they have filled chocolate inside the biscuit. Now I'm going to taste it for you. You can literally feel the chocolate which is there inside, and it's very tasty. See this, how it is rich in chocolate. If I want to talk about its taste, then it's yummy and delicious. If you are a chocolate lover, then you will definitely like the taste of chocolate. Quality wise, it's very good. After unpacking this box, you get each pack inside another plastic packaging. After unpacking this box, also you get each pack inside another plastic package. Some people say it's unnecessary. Cost of making of box and all, but it works in two ways. It keeps inner product in a good condition and branding of the product. Cons about this product: the product has hydrogenated fats and it's not safe even for healthy. The product contains hydrogenated vegetable oil, which is known as a source of trans fatty acid, which are harmful to health. So, at the end, I'm going to thank God as I had purchased small packaging of Dark Fantasy, and if it's harmful to health, then I have to think again and again and again. I don't have some personal grudge against this company or product, but it's my personal opinion. If you want to purchase this, you will get this product at general store nearby to you. And it's your opinion. If you want to purchase, go for it. That's all in this video, guys. Do subscribe and like this video and keep supporting us by sharing it with your friends. Thank you.